Hi guys, in this video I will show you a 10-step guide on how to write a business plan. You can get the comprehensive guide or download a business plan template using the links below. Without taking much of your time, let's hit the road. Of course, don't forget to subscribe now. Emerging industries like renewable energy, digital health, and quantum computing are rapidly changing the way we live and work. But success in these industries requires a well-structured business plan. In this video, we'll walk through a comprehensive step-by-step guide to crafting a winning business plan, basically for emerging markets. The first step is to choose an emerging industry that excites you. It could be anything from cybersecurity to sustainable technologies. In this step, you should research growth projections, market trends, and industry size for the industry of your choice. For example, the global cybersecurity market is expected to reach $300 billion by 2024. Understanding these trends helps you spot the opportunities and threats in your chosen field. Next, define your business vision and mission. Your vision is your long-term goal, like transforming global supply chains with blockchain technology. Your mission, on the other hand, should describe how your business will make a real-world impact. For instance, solving fraud issues by making systems more secure and transparent. Your vision and mission should align with both the market's current needs and future potential. Thorough market research is essential. This means analyzing market size, growth projections, and key competitions. Investigate industry regulations and technological trends that could affect your business. For example, AI-driven personalized medicine is growing rapidly. The industry is projected to reach $1.9 trillion by 2030. What sets your business apart? This is your unique value proposition. Identify the core problem your business solves and how your solution is different from others. For example, an AI-driven health solution might offer 35% more effective treatment than traditional medicine while cutting costs by 45%. Your business model outlines how you deliver value. There are different models to choose from. You can adopt a subscription model, pay-per-use, or even a freemium model depending on your industry. Additionally, identify key partnerships and resources like suppliers or technology partners to execute your vision. A solid marketing strategy will educate your customers about your solution. For emerging industries, this is vital. You can use content marketing, industry conferences, or AI-powered personalized outreach to reach your target market. Outline your sales process and make sure to build relationships through pilot programs or referral schemes.
Operational excellence is critical in emerging industries. Define your organizational structure, key roles, and approach to talent acquisition. Plan for regulatory compliance, scalability, and quality control. It's also important to outline your supply chain, logistics, and customer support systems to ensure smooth operations. Your financial projections show the potential for profitability. Include revenue forecasts, startup costs, operating expenses, and profit margins. For example, if you expect 30% year-over-year growth in blockchain technology, ensure your projections reflect this. Perform sensitivity analysis to prepare for different scenarios. This will help you identify key financial milestones and funding needs. Every emerging industry comes with risks. Conduct a thorough SWOT analysis and identify industry-specific risks, such as regulatory hurdles or technological disruptions. Prepare contingency plans for key risks and map out competitor responses to your market entry. Finally, the executive summary is often the first thing investors read, but you should write it last. Summarize your business concept, highlight the market opportunity, showcase your team's strengths, and give a snapshot of your financial projections. End with a call to action such as seeking investments or partnerships. Crafting a business plan for emerging industries or any business requires foresight, creativity, and adaptability. By following these 10 steps, you are setting up your business for success in a rapidly evolving landscape. Keep your business plan flexible, update it regularly, and stay ahead of industry trends. Before we go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.